Okay, I know
Yes.
start.
Mga
Bala,
gawain.
gawaki,
Gawain.
gawain.
Punan.
Puan,
Punan. Ang graphic organizer
organizer
ng wastong
na
informasyon.
Information
Tungkol sa iyong
tungkol sa iyo
sarili.
sarili.
Okay. This one. Pangalan.
Nalan.
Pangalan
Panalan.
means it's your name. So you write your name. Here, you can copy that. What are you doing? Why are you writing not in a straight line, Kali? Do not do it again. Do it again. Do you see this line? This line of the box? Use it as a guide. Maintain it where you write it there. You don't need to write a line. Why are you writing a line? Just write your name within this line. Do not go writing your name like that. Just follow this instead. Do you see that?
Skylar, Califi, and that.
Right. What are you doing?
Okay, I will do this.
Why are you starting with letter K?
Okay.
Again.
Yeah, done. I need to draw.
Look at the spelling. Is it correct? Is that how you spell your Khaleesi? Again.
I am drawing an eye.
Again, look at the spelling. There's no letter L. You can write your last name in the end, outside the box.
Oh, thank you.
You write the name, you're done outside the box.
Is teacher going to know this?
Of course, she's going to check it.
Then,
Edad
Dad,
means age. How old are you?
5.
Good. Kaarawan means your birthday. So it's December. So D. December, the blue one. I'm going to hurt your neck. You turn your head slowly. Four. You write the number 4. And then comma, which is this one. 2, 0. 1, 8.
You don't have to draw.
Just 2 circles is the number 8. Very good. Okay, that's good. What the gusto means like. What do you like, love? Do you like makeup? Drawing?
Drawing.
Okay. So D R A W I N G. Circle first. Make a letter C first. And then curve. Very good. But okay. Di gusto means you don't like. What you don't like? What do you don't like? You don't like?
I don't like. I don't like. I don't know what should I think. Okay, I will think. I don't like.
What?
I don't like bats because I don't like rats. Yeah.
Rats? Oh.
No. Cockroaches.
Cockroach. So C O C. Sorry. K R O A C
See, can I write in the
H.
outside?
It's okay. E S. Okay, that's the spelling of cockroaches. Now next. 11. Okay.
Why are you
You repeat after me. Isulat
Isulat
ang
ang
T sa patlang
patlaw
kung
kung
tama
tama
ang
ang
pahayag
pahayag
at M
naman
kung mali.
kung mali.
Maaari kang maging isang magaling na basketballista kung sasanay ka
sa
paglalaro nito. So you put letter T. So this means that if you practice playing basketball, are you going to be good in basketball?
Yeah.
Okay, next. You read again.
Okay.
Hindi kailangang ibahagi ang iyong kakayahan sa ibang tao. It means that you don't want to share your talent. You don't want to show them you're good in drawing. Or do you want to show them your drawing?
No, I live in my house. I draw.
You put this M. M means mali. Okay. You read again. Kapag hindi
mo
nagawa ng mahusay ang kakayahan
mo
subukan
mo
ulit. You write letter T. So if you practice more, are you going to be better?
Yeah.
Okay. Igalang
mo
ang kakayahan at kinahihiligang gawain ng iyong mga kaklase. Okay, it means that you need to respect if they're good in dancing, good in basketball, good in singing, right?
Yeah.
So you need to letter T means right. Okay, next. Maaring may ibang bata na katulad ang iyong hilig o kayang gawain. Mag-ensayo kayo ng sabay para mas masaya at mapahusay pa ninyo ang inyong kakayahan. So it says here, if you play together, are you going to enjoy?
Yes.
Oh, so T.
Oh my God, so much teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
And 1 M.
Yeah, it means that's the wrong one. Oh, ipakita sa iyong mga kaklase ang hilig mong gawain. Maaari Maaari kang
mahili kang
umawit,
amay,
sumayaw,
siyamaw,
tumula, o iba mo pang
pang
kakayahan.
kakayahan.
So it means, there will be a show and tell. So some of your classmates will dance, will sing, or draw, or play a music.
Is this for drawing?
Yeah.
No, this is drawing.
Yeah. It's okay na. You want to draw him here?
Here.
Oh, you draw him here.
No,
just draw your usual head and the neck. Show it to the teacher. You're drawing.
Teacher didn't let me.
Come on, you draw
Draw.
here. Come on, you draw here. You're drawing.
Is it Mommy? Is it okay if you erase it when I'm done?
Yeah, sure.
Wait, I'm going to copy this. How's this solo?
It's okay.
Look, Mom.
Nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice. You need to erase it.
Oh, no, just leave it there.
Why?
Just the teacher will just remove it.
Teacher is going to be mad.
I'll let her be mad on her own.
Why?
Because if you stress about her, you'll be stressed about your school and you won't be happy. So just let it go.
Woo! Look, Mom. Look, Mom. Yeah.
So now